Welcome back, everybody. So today is upgrade day. We are doing some upgrades on the 400EX. We're going to put in a new airbox, a new oil tank, a new skid plate, and a new rear grab bar. And clean her up a little bit. So we're going to be taking out this old airbox, which has some holes in it for breathing. We're going to just take this out, replace it with a new one. That was the way it was when I bought it. We're going to take out this oil tank, which the drain broke off the bottom of it. We're going to put new skid plate on the back, which you guys have probably seen pictures of on Instagram. If not, it's a good time to go ahead and say follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I post stuff on there pretty much daily, sometimes multiple times a day, depends on what's going on that day. So that thing's seen better days. I'm sure there's some people that could fix all that. I have not learned how to do TIG welding yet, so I'm saving it to practice on. Projects. That one's running awesome. Projects. Running awesome. Can-Am at Eton. So time to get Daddy's bike running. There's a Honda Ruckus project. All right, so back to this. So I'm gonna try to videotape me pulling out the oil tank and dropping in the new one, and just installing each piece as I go. If you got any questions, please drop them below. Thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited that we've made 315 subscribers. I'm super excited about that. My goal was to hit like 500 or 1,000 this year. So if you can please share, comment, like, all that stuff really helps a whole lot. Thank you.